The timber transport can be by road, rail, ship, or a waterway. Depending on the region and distance, intermodal transport may be used. The most prevalent mode of transporting timber is via road transport. Timber transportation in the tropics. I. Short distance or minor transportation. 2. Long distance or major transportation. 3. Transportation by water and air, loading timber. Manpower without equipment. Manpower with non-mechanical equipment. Minor transportation by animals. Mechanical traction. The legal weight limits will vary by jurisdiction, but, for example, in the southern states of the U.S., they range from 80,000 to 88,000 pounds, 36,300 to 39,900 kilograms, about 40 short tons, 35.7 long tons, 36.3 t. To load the logs, the truck may be fitted with one or more winches or cranes. 1. Through and through sawing ***. Description ***through and through sawing, also known as plane or flat sawing, is a common method where the log is sawn tangentially to the growth rings. This results in planks with a diverse grain pattern, ranging from straight to cathedral patterns. Characteristics Cost-effective and yields a high volume of usable lumber. Variable grain patterns suitable for a range of applications. Potential for more wastage due to irregular shapes in some cuts. 2. Tangential sawing Description Tangential sawing involves cutting the log parallel to the growth rings. This method produces planks with straight grain patterns, providing a more uniform appearance compared to through and through sawing. Characteristics Uniform appearance with straight grain patterns. Less wastage compared to through and through sawing. Suitable for applications where a consistent look is desired. 3. Quarter sawing Description Quarter sawing is a method where the log is cut radially to the growth rings, producing planks with a distinctive straight grain and a characteristic ray pattern. This method is known for its stability and durability. Characteristics Provides highly stable and durable lumber. Distinctive straight grain and ray patterns. Less susceptible to warping and shrinkage compared to other methods. Each of these methods has its own advantages and is chosen based on the desired characteristics of the lumber and the intended use of the wood. Understanding these methods allows for informed decisions in the timber industry, catering to specific needs and preferences in various applications. In the rustic landscape, a team of skilled workers initiated the process by manually felling a towering tree. The symphony of saws and the rhythmic thud of the falling giant echoed through the forest. However, as the tree lay on the ground, it became apparent that the sheer size and weight surpassed the capabilities of human strength for the next phase. Undeterred, the team strategically positioned a heavy-duty vehicle, a symbol of modern efficiency, to take charge of the loading process. The mechanical giant, equipped with robust hydraulics and a purposeful design, seamlessly hoisted the substantial logs onto its bed. The collaboration between human finesse in the initial cutting and the sheer power of the machine in the subsequent loading created a harmonious blend of traditional craftsmanship and technological prowess. The heavy-duty vehicle, now laden with the harvested timber, transformed the landscape as it maneuvered through the terrain. The symbiotic relationship between human effort and mechanical precision showcased the evolution of forestry practices. This harmonious integration not only optimized efficiency but also highlighted the adaptability of traditional methods to modern challenges. As the loaded vehicle rumbled away, leaving behind a cleared space where the majestic tree once stood, the journey of the timber continued. The narrative unfolded beyond the forest, illustrating the interconnectedness of human skill and technological advancement in the seamless transportation of nature's bounty. The story of the tree, from its first cut to the heavy-duty vehicle's loading embrace, reflects the evolution of forestry practices in the dynamic dance between tradition and innovation. Mango timber, derived from the wood of the mango tree, Mangifera indica, offers a variety of benefits and applications. Here are some key aspects of mango timber use and its relevant benefits. 1. Versatility in construction ***. Asterisk furniture. Asterisk mango timber is widely used in furniture manufacturing. Its relatively straight grain and moderate hardness make it suitable for crafting a range of furniture items, including tables, chairs, cabinets, and beds. Asterisk carpentry. Asterisk the timber is often utilized in carpentry for creating doors, window frames, and other structural components. 2. Attractive appearance. Asterisk. Asterisk grain patterns. Asterisk mango timber is known for its attractive grain patterns, ranging from straight to interlocked. This makes it appealing for furniture and interior design, where aesthetics play a crucial role. Asterisk color variation. Asterisk the wood exhibits a variety of colors, from pale yellow to darker brown, adding to its visual appeal. 3. Durability and strength. Asterisk. Asterisk hardness. Asterisk while not as hard as some hardwoods, mango timber possesses a moderate level of hardness, providing durability and resistance to wear and tear. Asterisk rot resistance. Asterisk the wood has natural resistance to decay and insects, contributing to its longevity in various applications. 4. Sustainability. Asterisk. Asterisk rapid growth. Asterisk mango trees are fast-growing, allowing for sustainable harvesting practices. This makes mango timber a renewable resource when managed responsibly. Asterisk byproduct utilization. Asterisk mango timber often comes from trees that have completed their fruit-bearing life cycle, providing a valuable use for the wood that might otherwise go unused. 5. Ease of workability. Asterisk. Asterisk machinability. Asterisk mango timber is relatively easy to work with using both hand and machine tools. This makes it suitable for intricate designs and carpentry projects. Asterisk finishing. Asterisk the wood takes finish as well, allowing for a smooth and polished appearance when desired. 6. Eco-friendly applications. Asterisk. Asterisk crafts and artwork. Asterisk mango timber is often used in crafting smaller items, such as utensils, bowls, and decorative pieces, showcasing its versatility and eco-friendly characteristics. 7. Cultural and traditional significance. Asterisk. Asterisk local craftsmanship. Asterisk in regions where mango trees are abundant, the timber holds cultural and traditional significance, often being utilized in craftsmanship that reflects local artistry and heritage. In summary, mango timber not only serves practical purposes in construction and furniture making, but also brings an aesthetic appeal, sustainability, and cultural significance to various applications. Its utilization represents a balance between environmental responsibility and the creation of functional and visually appealing products.